Let's work on question 4 here. So we have gold, but mining gold is polluting. Now we have the total benefits of the producer of gold, which is given by this function, price times quantity. Basically, that's the revenue he gets from selling the gold. There are total production cost, and there's also a marginal external cost. Okay, now in part A we want to calculate the socially efficient level of production of gold. Now what do we know about that? If we want to calculate the socially efficient level, we must take into account the externalities. So we don't just want the marginal benefit and the marginal cost, we must keep in mind the marginal external cost as well. In other words, our relationship must be the marginal benefit equal to the marginal cost of production plus the marginal external cost. Now we have almost all the data. What we need now is the marginal benefit and the marginal cost. And we know that the marginals are derivatives of the totals. So the marginal benefit is the derivative of the total benefit with respect to quantity. So P times Q, derivative with respect to quantity, is just going to be P. That's the constant. So we have P over here. Now what's going to be the marginal cost? Well, that's going to be the derivative of the total cost function with respect to quantity, meaning that we're going to differentiate 30 times Q with respect to Q, which gives us only 30, plus 1 over 2 times Q squared derivative with respect to Q, that's 1 over 2 times 2Q. And if we cancel out 2 and 2, what are we left with? We are left with 30 plus Q. Okay, so we got the marginal cost as well. This is our marginal cost. We got the marginal external cost. We can substitute everything into our relationship. So we will have the price equal to the marginal cost of 30 plus the quantity and plus the marginal external cost, which is 1 over 2Q. So plus 1 over 2Q. Now let's write this in a better way. We have price equals to 30 plus. What is Q plus a half Q? Well, that's 1 plus 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2 times the quantity. And since we want to find out the socially efficient level of quantity, we must write the quantity as a function of everything else. So we will have, if we leave 3 over 2Q on one side, we will have 3 over 2Q, and that is the optimal social level that we're looking for. And we take 30 on the other side, so that we're left with P minus 30. We will have P minus 30 over there. Now, if you want to keep only the quantity on the left side, we will divide both sides by 3 over 2. So quantity for the social optimal is going to be P minus 30 divided by 3 over 2, meaning that we're going to multiply by 2 over 3. So we're going to multiply by 2 over 3 every term. So we have 2 over 3 times the price minus 30 multiplied with 2 over 3. So 30 multiplied with 2 over 3. Let's cancel out something so that we write the final answer. 30 and 3 go away, so 30 and 3 cancel out, and we're left that the quantity for the social optimal level is 2 over 3p minus 10 times 2, which is going to be 20, and that will be it. In the next video we go to part B.